I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fix your GMC Terrain service tire monitor system. First, always check your tire pressures with a quality gauge. Make sure each tire is inflated to the manufacturer's recommended PSI, which you can find on the driver's side door jamb. Sometimes, a simple pressure adjustment is all that's needed. After adjusting, drive your vehicle for at least 10 minutes at speeds above 50 miles per hour to allow the system to reset. If the light persists, you can try a manual relearn. With the ignition on but the engine off, press and hold the lock and unlock buttons on your remote key fob at the same time. You'll hear 2 horn chirps confirming the system is in relearn mode. Now, starting with the front left tire, slowly release air until the horn chirps once. Repeat this for the front right, and finally the rear left tire. For a more consistent method, consider using a dedicated TPMS relearn tool. These are readily available and quite affordable. Once you've activated the relearn mode, as outlined in your owner's manual, take the tool and place it near the valve stem of the front left tire. Press the tool's button to activate the sensor. The horn will chirp, confirming the sensor has been learned. Repeat this process for the remaining 3 tires in the correct sequence. If the service tire monitor system light remains on after these steps, there might be a faulty sensor or a system issue. Visually inspect each tire's valve stem for any signs of damage to the sensor. Also, check for any visible wiring damage if you can access it. If you're still having trouble, it's best to consult a certified mechanic. They have specialized diagnostic tools to pinpoint the exact problem and recommend necessary repairs, such as replacing a faulty sensor.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.